Bianca, it's Jilly here. I'm trying to get in before my dogs are barking like crazy outside. There's a kangaroo at the gate and it is taunting them literally. But anyway, this is only a small canvas. I just want to show you how to do a quick creation very easily. So this is only a 20 by 25. Now I always get asked, what's this tray? Where do you get those trays from? They're literally a baking tray that you use to put your cakes on or something out of the oven. So you can get them from any homeware store. I have got them in the description below in my Amazon store, so you can look for them there, as is any of the paints I'm using, and my Keep It Simple pouring medium is there. And if you're in the US, the Keep It Simple pouring medium now is available in the link for the US supplier at Pixel Designs. You can get the Keep It Simple pouring medium, an Australian Floetrol she has. So if you've been busting to try the Australian Floetrol, click the link below for Pixel Designs if you're in the US. Of course, if you're in Australia, you can get these from my other link, the Australian link. I forgot what I was going to say to you. Oh yes, if you add Jilly10 to your order, you will get 10% off Pixel Designs in the US. So that's what that is, just a cake tray. That's a new one I bought because this one's looking a bit crappy, but never mind. I'm just going to use up some paints. So I'm going to whiz through this. It's just a wiggles. That's a sand colour. The dustbin men are coming tomorrow, so I want to empty my bins and get them out. So I'll wash those cups up, reuse. So that was an orange. This is a metallic rose that I've mixed up with quite a bit of other stuff, so that I don't actually remember. This is copper that I put, I think it's got metallic gold in it. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. And then, so I've still got two colours left there, but I can't use those all up. And then I'm going to put some white in it. And I'm going to add some dark navy. So this is okay because I have it in this container. And I guess I've got lots of plastic containers there that I'll tip those paints that I do have left in now, because they've been mixed for a while and I thought that I would have used them up, but they simply last ages. So, okay, I am going to, this is a really simple beginner's one. Quite easy for anybody to pop the paints on like I did. A complete easy beginner's pour, and you get lovely results from it. So it's just tilt it all over your canvas. Always remember to re-center your paint so you don't get the paint sitting one area, you know, drying in one area maybe. Rightio, I have got a little bit of colours. This was a navy that it's only mixed with Australian Floetrol, so I'm going to put some of that in to let some magic happen. You'll see what we do in a minute. Rightio, let's use that up. And then I will get, I can find it. Never, you've got to be, oh there you go. Just soft plastic file divider, literally just swipe it down and those metallics are popping through, and so are, wow, look at that. This is a really simple one if you haven't done acrylic pouring before and you want to get good results. Like I said, everything that you need to use is in the drop down box in my Amazon store or Pixel Designs or my global link. This has come up like gems. I am going to, actually I think I'm going to do that different thing that I did for that before. I'm going to literally, this is just my normal is do some puddles with the navy. I could very well use my balloon at the top, but I'm just gonna give you an option now. So this is it's a stainless steel straw. As you see, I've had it for donkey's years, and it's a bendy silicone end, which normally you would drink out of that end, but very good for directing the blows if you want to blow paint. So here we go. Well, not much has happened with that. Stick with me. Oh, I've got an itchy nose. Why does that happen when you blow on a straw? So, oh, I've got itchy. I'm going to get my balloon. This little balloon has just got a bit of water in to give it a bit of weight. You certainly don't have to. Okay, kiss it. There we go, in the centre of those. I just thought I have done this throughout the week on different pours, like just blowing with one colour over the top, and they've come out so pretty. So I thought I'd give it a go with this one. Let's do a little roll off the edge. That looks okay, hey? I want to bring you down to have a look at this sparklers here, because that is gorgeous. I'll give it a run over with my heat one. Okay, I'm going to bring you down. Have a look at this gorgeousness. Oh my goodness, just look at that. My Keep It Simple pouring medium, mixed as in per instructions, and just that little tiny addition of the swipe. Only the swipe colour has got the Australian Floetrol in, and look at that. It gives a really kind of, as I've said before, a sort of cheetah's bloom style. That is gorgeous. The colours are stunning, stunning, stunning. Well, there you go. If you want to try a beginner's one and get some lovely results that will give you encouragement to push on with more technical techniques, then this is the one for you, as well as dips are very easy to do but get wonderful results too. All right, my lovelies, thanks so much for joining me again. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. More than anything, watch my videos. I'm trying to have far less ads and only put ads on the beginning of my videos, because even when I go back and watch my own videos or watch other YouTubers, when they are full of ads, I simply click out of them. And I think YouTube actually put on 10 ads in a 20-minute video, and I just think no wonder people are clicking out of them. It's just too much. So tell me your thoughts on the subject anyway. I'd love to hear from you. Bye for now.